So today I just want to talk a little bit more about how do you determine if an equation is a direct proportion equation. So in a direct proportion, the equation is y is equal to kx. So y is equal to kx. Well, in this, what does the y stand for? Well, the y stands for the output, so the output, okay? The k stands for the constant of proportionality, so k is the constant of proportionality. X is the input, okay? So what did you put into the equation? So if you look at a table, typically what happens is, in a table, you have your x value here, your y value here, okay? What does k represent? K represents what did you multiply x by to get to y? That's k, because you multiplied k times x to get to y, okay? If you have a table that's horizontal, typically your x is on the top and your y is on the bottom, and again, you multiply x by k to find y. So how do you find the constant proportionality? Well, we have this formula that says y over x is equal to k. What that means is if you take any value of y and you put it over x, it should give you the same number, that constant of proportionality. So once you find k, you plug it into your equation. So how does that y equals kx equation fit in with these other equations that we see here in 9, 10, 11, and 12? What that means is you're trying to find what does y equal in terms of x. Okay? So if I look at number 9, if you look at number 9, okay, 9 has a y equals equation, 1/2 x plus 5. This here, this plus 5, makes this a not a directly proportional relationship because you just don't have y is equal to k times x. If you look at number 10, it's really hard to determine if you have a y equals equation because you don't have it set equal to y. So what you want to do is take your y divided by 4 is equal to 7x and make it to a y equals equation. In order to do that, I need to get rid of this divided by 4 right here. Okay, this little divided by 4. And so in order to get rid of this divided by 4, I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 4. So I'm going to multiply this side here by 4 and this side here by 4. And so these 4's are going to cancel, okay? And then I'm going to get y is equal to 28x. So in this case, you have a y is equal to kx direct proportion equation because y is equal to 28 represents k, or 28 over 1, you don't see the 1, times x. So number 10 would be a yes. So number 9 is a no. Number 10 is a yes. So let's look at number 11, okay? It is a y equals equation, and I can rewrite it if I want to y is equal to x minus 3 using reflexive property, okay? So I do have my y equals kx, but what I have additionally is this minus 3, and that minus 3 makes it not a direct proportion. So the answer to number 11 is no. And then let's look at number 12. Again, number 12 has some stuff going on, so it's really hard for me to see if it's a y equals equation because it's not y equals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my y over 2, or y divided by 2 is equal to 3 over x, okay? And then I'm going to multiply both sides by 2, okay? And I get y is equal to 6 divided by x. And what I realize is that this is not in the y equals kx form, okay? So this number 12 is a no.